South Zone flag will be hoisted by Honorable EM Sports and YP Sri Suhel Deburma. That's all. Now the candle is being lighted by our Maharaj, the inaugurator.
Now let's give a big hand. Our correction CM Tomo. The Honorable CM now. Opening song the Sunday of now Folk Music College Narok Niratamong Kendi.
Mili dongle, sipai jola. How sipai dong siapa? Seven gumuti. Seven gumuti.
Sabong opening song the Sunday of now Folk Music College Narok.
They are ready, black. International level to we could have done it.
Wow. Oh.
Bas, thank you.
Real Madrid. Number क्या है? हाँ बा.
Dolai team by Unukoti Tai North Zone. Borok Thunani Thangi Tomo.
अरे रोनाल्डो. Number Real Madrid.
Yellow color, which team? Dolai. Unukoti. Right? Please raise your hand, Unukoti. Okay, thank you. Kormo jersey hinggang kai Unukoti. Tai Kupur jersey hinggang kai Dolai. Unukoti by Dolai. All the best. Zonal level football league, Tripura football league, zonal level TTADC, Thangnani Thangi Tama. Champion trophy 3 lakhs rupees. Champion trophy 3 lakhs rupees. Jenny CEO side announced by क्या? Champion team Manai 3 lakhs rupees. Rupees 3 lakh only. Amun bagai kahakat.
Non, the photographer yang phadi. CM, deputy CM.
अभी आपका किला गोपाल जल्दी तुम दे